Today I'm looking for this bird. In the winter, red-shouldered hawks can be found high up in the treetops, waiting for their next meal. Now let's find one. It's been 45 minutes and all I found is this downy woodpecker, this cardinal, and this deer. It's cold, but I'm determined to find this bird. Sometimes during courtship, red-shouldered hawks can be seen up in the sky doing elaborate dances, like twists and turns, all with their potential mate. Pretty cool stuff. There's something up in this tree. It's kind of hard to see, but that is definitely a red-shouldered hawk. And it's off.
It's alright, you're out of sight.